Alright, so I just got just picked up an intake from a guy. He was selling a Roush one. Let me see. It's this one right here. Yeah, I gotta clean it up. I mean, not bad. It'll definitely clean up the engine bay a little bit. I still have the factory one on, so it's not gonna, factory's not gonna make it look clean or anything, but yeah, I gotta clean it. Looks really good. I mean, it don't look too bad. I mean, it's not bad at all. Give me some hardware. So it should fit. Okay. So we cut this. Ah, okay. Connected. Okay. Yeah. Roush intake. Pretty good condition. Just gotta wipe it a little bit. Yeah, wipe it a little bit. It'll definitely clean up the engine bay a lot. So yeah. Let's see if I can get that in so it don't fall. Okay, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Pluckers. I was gonna do a walk around of the car. I just don't know when. I want to go somewhere where an area where there's like not a lot of cars. I like to be like in an open like area with a lot of, see, there's a lot of cars right now. You can't. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable doing that. But just a quick little walk around. I'll definitely do an in-depth walk around of the car. I mean, it is clean, but the way the weather is, I don't think it's gonna last too long because it's gonna rain this whole damn week. Interesting. For dealership. Yeah, don't look inside. I'm gonna look inside. It's dirty. Yeah, just a quick overview, quick walk around of the car. Yeah, like I said, I'll definitely do a in-depth review, walk around of the vehicle. It is an 07 Mustang GT, and yeah, I'm gonna go out and meet up with a friend right now, show him the intake. Then I guess I'll just pick this up later. I don't know when. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I just put in this Roush Cold Air intake. This is the one I bought earlier today. I got it from that guy. It was in. I gotta clean it up a little bit. It's kind of dusty right here, and maybe a little right here. The filter didn't look that bad. I just kind of shaked it a little bit, get some dirt out the way. It could use a wash. I want to see how it starts with how it is right now. I did not change out the MAF sensor or mass airflow sensor. However, I'm still gonna try and see if it'll work. Hopefully it'll give me a code. I know it's good to replace that one, or at least replace your original MAF from your stock one, which is still, I believe, let me see, I think it's still right here. Yep, right there. Okay, I'm gonna keep that one, which is just because the guy, he had an 06 GT, so it's very similar. They're very similar models, and yeah. Now, one thing he did tell me, this you can reuse these the clips, the elbows. These are factory elbows, and that one too. I had to cut my old one to get it out right here. All I did was use like a regular knife like this. I just kind of pry it out. Be careful when not cutting the elbow itself, because yeah, you don't want to damage that. And I'm sure you can find it at a dealer, but yeah, you don't want to waste that time. I did it like in about I say 30 minutes to an hour, and then this took me longer getting this out because I really didn't want to break that. Yeah, it was a pretty clean intake. I mean, it folded on well. I just reused this band from the stock one that was on this one, and it fit okay. I know Roush, they don't include the. I know if you buy them new, they don't include the band clamps. Maybe they don't include one or they don't include all of them. I'm not sure. I just saw reviews and I saw people were where they had an issue with that. I'm gonna go and start it. Now, I didn't disconnect my battery. I know you're supposed to. You're supposed to disconnect your battery before you do any work, but I was just so excited. I just want to put it on, see what happens. So I did disconnect it for like 30 seconds just to reset it. Hopefully, where is my keys at? Where did I leave my keys at? Oh, here they are. Yeah, I doubt it'll throw a code, but we'll check right now. It shouldn't throw a code. Oh, also, there's bolts right here before. I'll try to see if I can do a video like that for y'all. It's literally like right behind the headlight. You can reuse these two bolts. There's this one right here, and there's one right here. There's two just to bolt it down, and here's the little ground, or I guess the plastic grommets, or the whatever you call these out here. They both slide in. These you can reuse right here. So who's that? I see you. You're on video. You're on video.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
It's not the first time.
I'm doing like a little video how to. I didn't know how to do it because I didn't feel like doing all that.
Oh, is that actuator doing?
Yeah, they do that. They do it on these cars.
Man, I thought only Impalas do that.
Nah.
Boy.
Yeah, that's it, man.
You need it.
Yeah, I gotta clean it up a little bit.
I'll put something here like.
Yeah.
Well, no, that might get like.
Nah.
Maybe colder air or more.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed
Instead of
to
just
do.
sealing it.
Well, it's a colder intake. Yeah, I hope it gets. Well, you know what? It's probably gonna get.
Technically, this. Well, I don't know
Yeah.
because you got those. What is it?
What? What?
You trying to be like me, huh? Wow.
Nah, man. I'm trying to. I got into it, man. It's fun. What the fuck is
How'd
that?
you get into it?
I don't know. Y'all made me inspire me a little bit. So.
How'd you get into it?
Who's
Me
that?
or Junior?
Oh wow. No, I've been doing these though, like these little videos. I did one on my LED lights.
We're about to do one live.
Oh shit.
FaceTime. There ain't nothing better than that.
No, I used to do these before. I used to do like I did like exhaust videos before on my YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Look at my YouTube, bro. I have like 3.
This dude declined my fucking FaceTime. Fucking dude.
No, I've done I did like a review and installation on how to install the LED fog lights, but I didn't post it or anything. What the hell?
Yeah, I'm right here, man.
Hey, let me see.
Oh, that Carmi. Yeah, I forgot about that.
He's not He by himself. Why you by yourself, bro?
See, look.
That's what is that? That you're the Carmi for real? What is that?
Damn, dude. I mean, what kind of car meet is it? Is it Casper and all his cars?
I don't know.
In Cruz.
Parking spots.
Carmen and Cruz. Look what this nigga did.
Yeah, man. All right, guys.
How do you
Pick it up here. Next
I ain't
video.
got no light.